Tiny Tysons is a smaller version of the Tysons-Pimmit library that we're having while the Tysons library is under renovation. We're scheduled to be under renovation until summer of 2017. So the temporary location is to provide access to our customers. We have 7 internet stations, Wi-Fi access. Patrons are able to pick up their holds. We have a selection of new books, books for children, young adults, and adults. So we basically have everything that we had at Tysons-Pimmit, just in a smaller scale. I think the temporary location is a very pretty location. We have lots of big windows, lots of light. Patrons are able to sit outside. We have picnic tables and benches that they can enjoy their books. We also have a small cafe across from us, and they're able to use that as well if they'd like. We do have limited signage for our location, so the easiest way to find us would be to go on the service road that is directly across from Marshall High School. And once you are on the service road, we're 7700, the building right in front. We're in the south lobby, so once patrons are in the south lobby, we are right off to the left. If patrons are unable to locate us in our new building, they are able to call us at 703-790-8088. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. until 6 p.m., and on Saturdays we're open from 9 until 1.